Hey everyone, welcome back to the Skillshetra channel. I'm Kushal and you are watching episode 13 of our Hacker101 CTF walkthrough series. In today's episode, we're diving into the Model E1337 V2 Hardened Rolling Code Lock challenge. And trust me, this one is wild. We're going to break through a hardened pseudo-random number generator, reverse engineer it, and use math, yes, actual XOR algebra, to unlock the code and get that flag. So buckle up. We're going straight into some clean nerdy magic. Let's go. So here's what we're working with. This challenge gives us an unlock system that's protected by a custom RNG. A rolling code lock meant to simulate something like a secured IoT device. To break it, we don't brute force, we get smart. I wrote a Python script that models this RNG and predicts what it will output next using just one incorrect unlock attempt. Let's break it down step by step. First up, we import some basic packages, request for HTTP requests, and read to extract the flag from the response. We ask the user for their CTF ID and then format it into the target URL. Now the heavy lifting is done by this class, RNGSTATE. This class is our simulation of the target RNG. Let me walk you through what it does. When we initialize it, we're given one RNG output from the server. That's the number it expected when we gave it a bad code. Then we build an internal state, state A, which is made up of 64 sets, each representing a bit and where it came from. We also define a reserved bit at index 64, which this RNG always XORs with. A nice little trap to confuse us. But not today. Then comes the heart of the model, the function getRanBit track2. This simulates how the RNG generates each new bit. It runs 3 rounds of transformation. First, it shifts the internal state. Then it XORs specific bits, especially with the reserved bit. Then it goes over the state in groups of 4 and mutates it further with more XORs. Classic chaotic transformation, but completely predictable, which is perfect. Each call to getRanBit track2 gives us one generated bit. But instead of just 1 or 0, it gives us the set of bits in the original state that influence this output. That's important because it means we can build an equation, a binary equation, like bit 15 XOR, bit 3 XOR, bit 58 equals 1. Now imagine doing that 64 times for each bit in the output number. That's exactly what we do in generate equations. For every bit in the RNG result, we simulate how it was generated and match it to the actual bit the server gave us. Boom, a system of XOR equations. We then call solve Bajri XOR, which uses Gaussian elimination over GF2, that's binary math, to simplify and solve the system. Any contradictions are flagged. At the end, we're left with a minimal set of equations we can use to recreate the RNG. Now the real fun begins, predicting the next number. In predict next number, we again simulate how the RNG would generate its next 64 bits. But this time, we don't know the result. We're trying to calculate it. So, for each of those 64 new bits, we use decompose Dutch EQN. It tries to express the new equation as a combination, an XOR sum, of our existing solved equations. Once we know which equations can create this new one, we take their right-hand side values, the bits from the server, and XOR them together. That gives us the predicted bit. We do that 64 times, combine the bits into a binary string, and convert it into an integer, our predicted unlock code. Finally, we send it to the server again. This time, it works, we get the flag. The script extracts the flag using regex, stores it in a list, and prints it out. And that's it. We defeated a rolling code lock using math, logic, and clean Python. And that's how we cracked the Model E1337 V2 Hardened Rolling Code Lock in Hacker101 using Python and some binary algebra. If you found this walkthrough useful, don't forget to like the video, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments, and share this with your fellow CTF hackers. And of course, if you want more walkthroughs, challenges, and code breakdowns like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. This is Kushal, and you've been watching Skillshetra. See you in the next challenge.